Dividend stocks to hold forever, South Africa and global. What if you could buy stocks once and get paid every year for the rest of your life? Today, we are talking about dividend stocks to hold forever in South Africa and globally. These are businesses with strong cash flows, long histories, and dividends that grow over time. This is timeless investing, not trading. Let's begin. What makes a forever dividend stock? Before naming stocks, here's what we're looking for. 1. Durable competitive advantage. 2. Consistent free cash flow. 3. Dividend sustainability, not just high yield. 4. Simple business models. 5. Strong balance sheets. As Warren Buffett says, if you don't feel comfortable owning a stock for 10 years, don't own it for 10 minutes. Now let's look at South Africa first. South African dividend stocks to hold forever. 1. British American Tobacco, BAT, JSE. BAT is one of the strongest dividend payers in South Africa. Why it's a forever stock? Global pricing power. Strong cash generation. Decades of dividend payments. Even as volumes decline, pricing and margins remain powerful. 2. Standard Bank Group. Africa's largest bank by assets. Why it lasts? Essential financial infrastructure. Strong presence across Africa. Reliable dividend cycles. Banks may be cyclical, but quality banks survive generations. 3. Nedbank Group. A conservative, well-managed bank with a shareholder-friendly dividend policy. Key strengths. Strong capital discipline. Focus on return on equity. Solid dividend recovery post-crisis. 4. MTN Group. Telecoms are the new utilities of the digital age. Why MTN qualifies? Exposure to fast-growing African economies. Mobile data demand keeps rising. Improving dividend visibility. 5. Sasol, selective forever hold. Not a classic forever stock, but massive cash flows in commodity upcycles. Strategic energy infrastructure. Best suited as a smaller, income-focused position. Global dividend stocks to hold forever. Now let's go global. 1. Coca-Cola. One of the greatest dividend stocks ever. Why it's legendary? Over 60 years of dividend increases. Global brand dominance. Simple, repeatable business model. This is the definition of a forever business. 2. Procter & Gamble. Think toothpaste, diapers, detergent. Why it endures? Everyday consumer essentials. Pricing power. Dividend growth for decades. People don't stop brushing their teeth in recessions. 3. Johnson & Johnson. A healthcare dividend powerhouse. Key advantages. Diversified healthcare exposure. Strong balance sheet. Long dividend growth history. Healthcare demand only grows with time. 4. PepsiCo. More than just soda. Why it works? Snacks plus beverages diversification. Strong cash flows. Consistent dividend increases. A resilient consumer giant. 5. Unilever. Perfect for South African investors seeking global exposure. Why it lasts? Emerging market dominance. Essential household products. Reliable dividends. How to hold dividend stocks forever? Here's the strategy. 1. Reinvest dividends when young. 2. Shift to income later in life. 3. Ignore short-term market noise. 4. Focus on dividend growth, not yield. High yield can be dangerous. Growing dividends create real wealth. Final thoughts. Dividend investing isn't exciting. It's powerful. You don't need hundreds of stocks. You need a few great businesses held for decades. As Munger said, the big money is not in the buying or selling, but in the waiting. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment which dividend stock do you plan to hold forever. This is timeless investing.